Another question from Carl Lumas. Sino pinaka-favorite mo sa mga alaga mo? For me, as a coach and a leader of Tatak Dalisay, wala akong favorite eh. Lahat yan favorite ko. Nasa sa kanila, how would they respond dun sa efforts na ginagawa ko for them. For example, ngayon, kasama ako ni Jared sa Taiwan. Hindi ibig sabihin nun favorite ko si Jared. Kung sino man yung gustong mag-international na laro sa under Tatak Dalisay, sasama ako. Sasamahan ko din. Hindi lang si Jared. Pero as of the moment kasi, if lalagyan natin ng tiering or lalagyan natin, kunwari, i-base natin sa cards. Sa, kunwari, Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Pokemon card. Yung may stars. Si Jared kasi yung sobrang effort and determined to compete in a masasabi kong pang-champion quality. Siya yung sobrang effort to bring the name of Tatak Dalisay. And sobrang proud naman talaga ako sa batang yun kasi since day one, hindi ako nagkamali sa nakita kong potential sa kanya. And he is now still doing, nag-pro man siya back 2023. Actually, it was his second competition pa lang pero he gave his best. Naintindihan niya na yung nilatag kong protocols for him is best for him. And hindi siya nun dadalhin elsewhere and nagtiwala lang siya doon. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa lang yung batang yun. So, ulitin ko, wala akong favorite to any Tatak Dalisay athletes. Lahat yan favorite ko yan. Lahat yan, mahal ko yung mga yan. Sabi ko nga, isa akong tatay or kuya or kapatid sa ibang mga athletes ko. Kay Jared, isa akong kuya, minsan isa akong tatay. And kilala na nung iba kung ano ako sa kanila. And yung love ko for them is Phileo. Sobrang brotherly love talaga. And yung support ko for them is more than a coach.
Hey yo, Coach Kit Dalisay, congratulations for having a 1K subscribers in YouTube. Coach, congrats and tuloy-tuloy lang yan, ha? Then, don't forget to follow me also in my TikTok and my Reels. Okay?
The fourth question is from Altea Torbeles. When is the best time to eat, before or after workout? If meron kasi tayong tinatawag na fasted training or fasted workout. So, pwedeng gawin mong kumain after workout just to burn the stored fat. You're working out on an evening basis. Kunwari, morning person ka tapos evening ka. Eh, syempre, before workout, kumain ka. Pero for beginners, I advise not to do the fasted training kasi kadalasan ang nagiging case is biglang bumababa yung stamina, nahihilo, namumutla. So, it's better to eat before working out, mga kain muna, tapos after 1 hour, workout. Pero if you are on an intermediate level, matagal ka na nag-workout, you can do the fasted workout. Lalo na kung you're into depletion. After workout is the best time to eat.
Yo B, happy 1K subscriber kay Kit Dalisay. Then follow natin siya B. Sobrang solid niya at sobrang napakalupit niya na coaches. Hala ka B. Ano pa, kung hindi ka pa naka-follow, mag-follow ka na kay Kit Dalisay, sobrang solid, natural, then napakalupit. Yun lang B, love you nest. Okay, more subscriber to come. Peace.
Okay, 5th question is, anong program ang best for ectomorph like me? Actually, walang best na workout for ectomorphs. All programs and workouts are applicable for all body types, ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. Ang question dyan kasi yung diet. Kamusta ba yung diet mo? Nakukumpleto mo ba yung macros mo? Yung protein mo, yung carbs mo? And if galing ka sa payat, dapat yung kinakain mong carbohydrates is more than the maintenance. Hindi ka dapat nagkukulang. Kasi if you want to size,
what's up, Keith Dalisay? Congratulations again on hitting 1,000 subscribers on sa mga vlog mo. And hope to see you soon. God bless.
6th question. Actually, it's 6th, 7th, and 8th. What is the safest peak approach tips? What is the most risky? And what is the most rewarding?
Yo, so gusto ko lang agad i-congrats si Keith sa kanyang parating na 1,000 subscribers. Sana supportahan siya na tuloy-tuloy at dumami pa ng dumami at yung mga content sa is mag-upgrade. So yun lang, nakikita ko yung sipag dito sa kanya, lalo meron siyang community na binubuo at yun, nakikita ko yung yung passion niya sa ginagawa niya. So yun, supportahan natin siya at matuto tayo at ma-inspire tayo sa mga contents niya. Let's go!
What is the safest always do kung ano yung sinabi ng coach nyo? That's the safest. Wag ka nang mag-experiment o lumabas pa sa kung anong binigay ng coach mo. That's the safest thing.
Yo Kit, congratulations sa 1K subscribers. Keep it up and more blessings for you, man. From Kinetic Family.
The most risky is syempre kung binigyan ka ng refeed and sinobran mo pa, that's the most risky. Or binigyan ka na ng freedom to eat this tapos sumobra ka pa, that's the most risky.
Team Duality congratulates you.
Congratulations, Team Dalisay,
for your 1,000 followers.
What is the most rewarding? Syempre, kapag ginawa mo ng 100% and complete yung protocols since day 1 up to the game day. And sobrang rewarding kapag actually yung pagkakaroon ng call out or top 5 or naging champion ka is a plus actually. Pero makita ng lahat ng tao yung condition, yung size na nangyari sa'yo, yung changes overall, that's the most rewarding. That's the most rewarding. Plus na lang talaga kung mag-champion ka or mapasok ka sa call out o sa top 5.
Bro, Keith, what's up? Big shout out to you. We've known each other since your start of in calisthenics. And then now I see you progressing sa bodybuilding. I'm proud of your progress right now. Keep doing what you love to do and big shout out to you. I'll see you soon when I get back to Manila.
9th question is, how does bodybuilding changes your life? Ang laki ng pinagbago ng buhay ko in this career na tinitake ko. Maraming opportunities na pumapasok as a bodybuilder. Hindi lang yung projects for modeling. or photo shoots. It actually changes my character, how to approach athletes na, or yung mga newbie or yung mga gustong pumasok sa bodybuilding. It changes me as a person of how would I interact with them, how would I prove to them na kaya din nila. Kung kinaya ko, kaya nila. It changes me to be a coach, and it changes me as a not just an enthusiast but also an influencer. And hindi lang naman bodybuilding yung pinopromote ko, but overall lifestyle, and yung having a overall fitness. Kaya this past few months, I'm again engaging to running na hindi naman malayo sa bodybuilding kasi we have cardio protocols. And soon is yung obstacle course racing sa Sparta. And sobrang nakakatuwa lang na as a person na mayroong competitive character. And this time kasi kalaban ko yung sarili ko. Kalaban ko yung dating ako. And sobrang saya lang na yung bodybuilding yung naging open door for me to have this overall fitness. Masaya, sobrang masaya. Ang dami, alam mo yung ang dami kong gustong sabihin. I have many words pero hindi ko siya ma-describe. Last question is, how do I handle my athletes despite busy schedules? Sobrang ano lang to. For me, juggle lang. Multitasking. Since most of the athletes naman is nakikipag-communicate ako through online. So, hindi naman ako nag-offline in social media unless mapunta ako sa isang lugar na wala talagang signal. Hindi ko sila makakommunicate. Pero if I have the chance to communicate with them, I have to communicate with them. Hindi pwedeng hindi ko sila nakakausap. Hindi pwedeng makaligtaan ko yung mga protocol sila. Lalo na papalapit na yung mga laro. So, hindi pwede na hindi ko sila kausap. I have to take their updates sa physique, sa pagkain. And for me, being busy is good for me, lalo na sa mental health ko. Hindi ako pwedeng ma-stuck in a day. Kailangan everyday productive ako. So I have to go out, either meet them or kung hindi i-meet them, I'll do something. Yun nga, minsan nasama ako sa mga runnings, either a group or in a club. So sasama ako sa running. And yung doing the opportunities na binibigay sa akin recently, hindi naman siya talaga distraction para hindi ko makausap yung mga athletes ko. Laging prio for me na makausap ko sila. Lalo na yung pinagdadaanan nilang prep, for some it's a first time. Yung iba, matagal-tagal na, pero alam mo yun, I know how it feels kasi nang walang nag-guide before. Kaya hindi pwedeng iparanas ko sa kanila na physically, spiritually, or mentally, wala si coach. So I have to give my all presence to them. Ganyan ko sila kamahal. Sa totoo lang. Fulfilling lang din for me na mag-guide sila and makita yung changes nila overall. Into fitness, into character. Sobrang masaya sa akin na mag-guide yung bawat isa sa mga athletes. Even sa life, nagiging coach na rin nila ako eh. It's just fulfilling for me since I am a firstborn, panganay. Ang sarap sa feeling na may apply mo yung pagiging panganay mo din sa kanila. Even some of them, panganay din. Diba? Pero, ayun nga, having this gift of leadership is not an easy task for me. Pero it's fulfilling. Sobrang sarap sa feeling nung mga fulfillment and if ma-reach namin yung mga goals namin. Sobrang masarap sa feeling. It's more than a trophy for me, sa totoo lang. Ayun lang. So, mahaba-haba pa tong vlog na to. So, just watch out, guys. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig sa mga sagot ko sa mga questions. GG.
Welcome to the League of Extraordinary Greatness. Yep, this is the anthem of the bravest. To everybody that ever said we made it, you're the reason why the song is playing like a warrior, locked in, ready for the mission. I feel 73-9, my best season. Hustle and grind, yeah, I gave it all. From the ground up, now I'm skyscraper tall. From boos to cheers, thumbs down to high fives. At first they was against me, now they on my side. The kid least likely to succeed is the winner. Call me Cinderella, man, I made you a believer. So let us take this moment and celebrate. All love, no hate, all day, every day. To all believers, winning is our fashion. Dress for red carpets, bright lights, camera action. Tested by the fire, now we're coming out. Go, withstood the pressure, now our time. Be the best, be the best. Put your fists stuck together with the rest.
Second day WNBF Taiwan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa venue so gaganapin ang WNBF, and for today is yung category ni Jared is men's physique.
Let's go, Jacob!
119! Let's go! 119! 119! Hold on! Let's go!
好紧张啊！每一个排面的水准都太高了。109号。119。OK， 好，谢谢。
Kita.
184 207 244 好，那个后面的选手，谢谢。 请换位。
And 119 and 184 switch.
184以及119。Let's
go! Let's go!
加油，朋友们，请帮你加油！好，两位换位。
Nice! Labanan mo, labanan mo!
Alright, 119 come to the X.
109.
No, 119 come to the X. Then 109, then 159.
Let's go! Bigyan mo! Lapit sa gitna! Lapit sa gitna! Jacob, pasok!
hold住3。
Wagi!
109 请换位。
Abante, bro! Abante, abante! Yun!
Alright, music up, let's get more pose down.
hangover ko, men. Uy, anong plano overall yun? Sige. Sige. Anong plano natin? Let's go! Nakabawi. Nakabawi! Nakabawi! Uy, uy! May overall pa, guys. Oo nga. go, Jared!
在这个项目获得前3名的选手可以获得实验，所以请保持住状态。非常重要的中途之战。
Quarter turn. Quarter turn. Then I'd like to call 225.
225，请出列。
And I would like to call 323.
323，请出列。
And 319.
以及319。
And I would like to call 163.
163选手，请出列。以及153，
then 224，
以及224，
242。
哇，242，传赢。好，我们选手之间的距离取好。好，后方的选手，谢谢你们，辛苦了。
Nag-decide na for overall as of the moment, and hindi nakapasok si Jared for the overalls. Pero syempre, talo tayo, may goal tayo. Nag-champion siya sa category niya sa under 174 centimeters. And I'm still proud of this young guy. Sobrang pinatunayan niya yung determination sa protocols namin. And grabe, ang dami pang hassle na nangyari sa amin, pero grabe, he did his best and proud na proud ako sa kanya. Day 2 pa lang namin ngayon sa Taiwan, and may day 3 pa kami and may day 4 pa. So just watch this vlog, guys, kasi maggagala pa kami. So mga kapawgi, it's our day 3 dito sa Taiwan.
Gusto niyo bang manalo ng exclusive shirt from Tatak Dalisay? Just watch the 3 parts of this vlog, like the video, and subscribe to my channel para always updated ka. Sa part 3, ipopost ang link ng quiz sa description para maging part ka ng raffle. Please follow our Tatak Dalisay page dahil sa page, ipopost ang aming mabubunot sa raffle. Kaya ano pang hinihintay niya mga kapogi? Sali na!
Mga balak, mga pawis tumatagak-tak, bumagsak ang mga bakal, humahagalpak. Pag umapak sa timbangan, pumapalakpak. Hahatakin mga taong hiyang sumaba, pero dalisay ang tatak na gustong ituro. Kahit sinong tumapat sa laro natuto, napatunayan sa lahat na dugo ay puro. Papayagang sumabat pero huwag sumuko. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang kahit hindi madali, sinusuli ng sakit ng bawat sandali.